Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix BlueStacks. So the first thing that we are going to do right here is to just make sure that we have a fast internet connection. So if you think that you have a slow internet connection, just restart your router and then that should fix your problem. However, if it is still not working, then the next thing that we need to do right here is to go on to the search bar and then search for proxy. And then in this part, just click on open. And then in this part, in the manual proxy setup, if your proxy server is turned on, what we're going to do is to turn it off. So click on edit, and then just click off right here, and then click on save. After that, what we're going to do next is to go here again on the search bar and then search for firewall, and then click firewall and network protection. And then in this part, we're going to click on restore firewalls to default. So once you click that, this will open and then click restore to defaults and then click on yes. After doing that, the last thing that we can do right here is to just restart our PC and that should fix our problem. So that is basically it.